Welcome to Arduino Lesson 2. Let's see how to download Arduino software. First, open your browser. And search Arduino download. Go to the first page you are seeing. This is the main web page of Arduino. And go Software tab in Download. This is Arduino's main IDE. This is open source software. This works for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This is download links for your computer. My computer is Windows, so I download the Windows file. Download your software in this web page. And open your download. And open Download Setup. This Arduino software already installed on my computer. But if you have not already installed the software, make sure that you install normal software. Now we open our Arduino software. First, we selected the Arduino board we use. For that, you should first select the name of the board you are using on the Tools tab less than board. You use Arduino Uno boards or Arduino Mega board or any other board, and select your board in this list. Second, we need to look at the Arduino board connect port. It's more likely that it will connect to auto, or we can select it. Now I'm connect my board for computer, and it's detect my board easily. We're going to talk about the programming part here. In this case we need to talk about two things. It's the void setup and the second one is the void loop. When talking about the void setup, the braille is used to sense the boundary. This will read the text of the flesh, and this will be read only once. Second, we should talk about the void loop, and this also applies to the bracket in this context. This thread does not include anything in the text that we type out of this program. The loop setup does not differ from setup. Everything we write here is a recurring read because of that. We call that bracket the scope. Arduino software and its main parts for talking to us, and that you will only have to say goodbye again to the next lesson. Good luck to you.